How to trade Strangles, the closing position. Hi guys, this is Mehdi choosing options. Today is July the 2nd. This is a follow-up on the closing positions on Strangles. The last video that I put out regarding closing the position was back in June 18. Anyways, um, there's an EWW that I talked about in that video. We put this order on May the 25th, and today is the 7th, July 2nd. So let's see, 5 days, 7, 31, roughly about 38 days. In 38 days, it closed me about 18 cents. Right now it's about between 10 and 14, but it passed through 18 and it closed me out. So I think we put on that order 4 contracts of 49 cents. It was 49 cents calls and puts together. So 49 minus 18, 31. 31. I made 31 cents a contract. 31 divided by 49. 63%. But it took, like I mentioned earlier, I averaged around 27 days, but this time took a while, well over 30 days. But, you know, we won that contract as well. I don't win them all, but hopefully, I don't want to say hopefully, but if one of these trades that I have here, if they lose, I'll put out a video and explain why we lost. But so far, everything looks good. So 63% on this contract. I think, let me see, I don't know if I did an SPY earlier. Oh, by the way, Johnson & Johnson, I had closed it. I already put a note under that video, previous video, saying that the earnings are coming close, so I just closed it. I didn't want to wait it out, but even if I didn't close it, it's around $1.04 to $1.10, and we sold it around $1.02. So we would have been about 10-15 cents ahead, but like a week, sometimes 2 weeks, some stocks before the earnings, they just stop depreciating. So it's not worth hanging on to them. You just got to close them. So I just went and I closed that one at the push. I sold it at 120 and I bought it back at 120. So I didn't make money. I didn't lose any money on that one. So the next one is probably going to be the spiders. If I had put on a video on this one, and when it closes, I think this one here, we sold it around 92 back in the 12th of last month. It's roughly about 93 cents, and it's about almost half as much right now. So, but if it goes on down to 20 cents, we're out. Okay, so last time you made, I don't know, I can't recall, it was above 60%. You make about 60%. I mean, over 60% is not a bad deal for about a month. So, yeah, trade these, follow me, trade these in your paper account and ask questions, and you get a hang of it. It's no, you can do it. I mean, I started this a while back, but hey, I'm trying to share my knowledge with you guys. So let me know if you have any questions. Happy trading.